Okay, the second video is still looking at perpendicular bisectors. What happens if the point at which the bisector has to cross the line is specified? Well, this is the case here. We've got a dot, we're going to call it point A, on the line where the perpendicular bisector must cross. Now, this is different this time in that we've got to do a little bit of work before we can actually do the bisection. We're going to take our compass, place it on the point A that's been specified. And what we're going to do is we're going to mark 2 points that are an equal distance away from that dot. Again, it doesn't matter how wide our compasses are, as long as we're always consistent in keeping our compasses the same width. So I've opened mine a reasonable size. I'll mark it one side over there, and I'm going to mark my line one side over there. So my 2 red lines are an equal distance away from the point A that was specified. Now I have those 2 points. Actually, I'm going to do exactly the same thing as what I did last time. I'm going to put my compass upon the point. I'm going to make sure that my compass is more than halfway along. Remember, we talked last time about it being somewhere closer to 3/4 if we can. And from that point, we're going to do an arc above, and we're going to do an arc below. Then we're going to repeat this process on the other side. So this time the point going into the other point that we made, an arc above. I've just got to move my compass there because it wouldn't quite fit on the screen. Back on the compass mark we'd said, and an arc below. Okay, so again you can see I've got my 2 arc intersections. I'm going to get a ruler and a pencil. I'm getting my straight line tool, one intersection to the other, and if we've done it correct, it should go through a point that we specified in the first place. And that's how you do a perpendicular bisector through any given point.